when the generator is running, the generator is able to support all the AC panel, all the breakers in the AC panel?
Yeah, it's 3,000 watts.
Oh, it's 3,000 watts. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. And you want to use the generator in the future or not?
Only for emergencies. I prefer not to, but if, for instance, the solar panels weren't able to keep the house batteries charged up all the way, then maybe I would run it to top up the batteries, but otherwise I prefer not to.
As you mentioned before, the capacity of the AC panel that you have actually in your boat is around 3,000 watts?
No, I don't know what it is.
An inverter, and the capacity of the inverter is 3,000 watts. Is okay?
Yes, that's correct. It is not yet installed, though.
It's not installed. Okay. And how many equipments, how many breakers are actually in the AC panel?
I can show you. It looks right now. Let me turn this. How do I turn around to make it?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, there. So right now, I have these 5 breakers right here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the AC breakers.
Okay, the first one is for what?
I don't know what they're for. The only thing I know is the one that's off in the middle. That's the hot water heater. The other 4, I'm not sure what. All I know is when I turn that one off, the one in the middle. I'm sorry, this is not staying shut.
Okay,
but the one, see the.
It's supposed that you
5.
have. Excuse me, 1 second. It's supposed that you have one breaker for the outlets, and other breaker for the lights, and other breaker for the water heater, and other breaker for the battery charger. You don't have those breakers?
I don't see how it's labeled. Nobody ever knew. So you can't tell from the label.
Yeah. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain something, Maria.
All right.
In this moment in your boat, you don't have an AC panel. You don't have an AC panel. You have a couple of breakers in the main DC panel. Those breakers in the bottom on the right. Those breakers are only to connect AC power, probably for outlets, no? For outlets and water heater, but you don't have a dedicated AC panel.
Well, this is the only other thing that I have. See that one? And I don't know if
I see that one. Let me check. Let me check that one in details. 1 second. Okay. This is probably your AC panel. Yeah. Yes. You have a shore power. You have
there's some DC loads on there. The main bilge.
Yeah, bilge pumps, DC, and one breaker for shore power on the left side. Yeah. Okay, you have an spaghetti of breakers mixed AC and DC. This is not good. I have a question. You have one good space in some part of the boat where you can create a new DC AC panel? And where is the outlet where you connect the shore power when the boat is docked in a marina? Where is the outlet?
Okay, so see the breaker right here?
Yeah.
It's about 3 feet away, just on the other side of right here.
Okay, all right.
So it's very close, like it's right above this locker.
Perfect.
See this locker? Yeah, it's right there.
Can you open the locker, please?
Yes, another mess in here.
Because I have an idea. If the AC outlet is over there on top, we can create the AC panel. Can you go up on your right side? Okay, no, button. Exactly, no. That piece of wood with those 4 screws over there. We can create the AC panel over there.
Okay, yeah, that would be perfect.
it's better because we need to run less cables, and it's excellent because the access to the AC outlet is pretty close.
Okay, fantastic. Would I be able to put the multi-plus inverter charger down here somewhere, maybe?
Oh, perfect. You have a space over there?
Yeah, this whole area I plan to use for whatever is important.
Oh, great, Maria. I think that this is a great place to configure all the electricals and electronics together. This is a great area. That's perfect.
Oh,
okay.
Great.
And what is the size of the inverter? I think that you have a space over there for that.
The dimensions of it?
Yeah.
I don't have the specs in front of me, but I believe it's around 18 by 11 by maybe 8 inches deep.
I think that you have enough space over there for that. I have a question about the inverter charger. When suppose that we have the inverter charger connected right now and running right now, how many equipments, what type of equipments you want to run when the inverter is running?
I want to be able to run my AC outlets.
AC outlets, okay.
And I don't have hot water without AC, but I haven't needed hot water in like a year, so this has been so hot. But the other thing that would be primarily, so the hot water heater is kind of a luxury.
I have another idea for hot water, but let me explain later that. AC outlets is one. You have a small refrigerator?
I have a 12-volt fridge. 12 volt.
Okay, you don't need AC for refrigerator.
No, but I do need AC to run my water maker for the high pressure pump.
Okay, water maker. Okay, perfect for the high pressure pump. Okay.
That's a 15 amp draw on that.
Okay. What about the air conditioned equipment? You have air conditioned equipment?
No. Right now, I have like a portable air conditioner. I only use it when I'm plugged into shore power, and I don't plan to continue using it if I'm off grid. In fact,
okay, perfect, perfect. AC outlet, water. What about lights?
Lights are all 12 volt right now.
Okay.
But the one other thing that I am interested in adding, if possible, I don't know if I can do it yet, but I'd like to future-proof for just in case, is a washing machine.
Washing machine. Okay. Okay. Washing machine. That's perfect. And any other? No?
So far, that's all.
All right. I think that with 3,000 watts is enough. You have a good power with 3,000 watts.
Okay.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Okay, and you say that actually you have 800 amps in the battery bank of the lithium batteries?
Yes.
All right. We are going to calculate with 800 watts how many hours of AC power you have in the AC side of the inverter.
Okay, great.
Okay.
800 amp hours.
Yeah, you have 800. How many cells, how many batteries are in the bank?
4.
4 batteries, each one 200.
That's right.
Okay, perfect. And they are connected in parallel, no?
Well, right now they're just sitting there, and I had contemplated, should I do 24 or 12 volt system? What do you think?
All right. Let me explain something. You need in the future in your boat single phase or double phase in the AC?
I can't imagine needing 2 phase. I'm going to be in the US only, right?
Okay. Yeah, but for example, the washer machine, the washer machine is 2 phase. I think so. No.
Maybe the dryer.
The dryer.
You know, the washing machine. It's washer and dryer in one.
In one, I think that equipment is double phase.
2 phase.
Yeah.
I haven't checked yet, so I don't know. So, okay, so if I need 2 phase, should I go 24 volts then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you connect those batteries to get 24 volts, probably you don't have 800 amps. Because to get 24, you need to connect the 2 batteries in series, okay?
Okay.
The configuration is like this. Suppose that you have 4 batteries. You have 4 batteries right now. You connect two of them in series and other two of them in series, and you connect both series in parallel, one with the other one. In that case, you have only 400 amps. You have 24 volts, 400 amps.
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead.
With 24 volts, 400 amps, you can produce in the other side 240 volts AC, but probably you don't have more than 1 hour, no, of power with that battery bank. In that case, we need to increase the capacity of the battery bank. Okay.
How many amp hours would you recommend for what I'm talking about doing?
Okay, 800 amps is okay with 24 volts, but 800 amps, no 400.
Okay, so I need 4 more batteries.
Yes, or if it's necessary, other 2 batteries, but with more capacity, because right now you have batteries of 12 volts, 200 amps, and there are batteries, lithium batteries, 12 volts, but 400 amps or 600 amps. Okay. We can check in internet other batteries with more capacity, and we increase the capacity of the battery bank. That's okay?
Okay. Yeah, I'm willing to consider that. The only possible issue is space.
The space.
Yeah. As always, everybody has the same problem.
This is the problem. The batteries are new ones?
They're new, but I bought them back in February, so I doubt I can get batteries from the same production run. Is that an issue?
Yes, because the idea is when you create a battery bank, all the batteries in the battery bank should be the same capacity and equal batteries.
Yeah, built at the same time.
Yeah.
But I think that's like the big picture, but even more urgent, I think, is my bonding. The green bonding.
The bonding.
On the boat. There are a lot of them are broken. Let me show you. I'll show you. So see right here.
Yeah.
They're broken.
Okay. Yeah, this is catastrophic. This is not good. See? Yeah, this is not good. This is not good. Oh, and then, you see the color of the through holes is green. That indicate that it's not protected. It's not protected. Yeah.
Yeah. And this one is for the water maker, and it doesn't have anything at all. This one does have it, but I think I saw on your video that if they're not all connected, none of them are connected or something like that, because they go from one to another. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Okay. And then another issue is I don't know where the overcurrent protection is for this battery bank, because from here, this goes into the engine.
Those are the batteries for the engine, the cranking batteries?
No, this is the house battery bank. There are 3. There's one more on that side.
Okay. This is the battery bank for the house, and those batteries are connected in parallel. Yeah, I saw 3 batteries connected in parallel, and those, the panel is DC 12 volts, no?
12 volts.
12 volts. Oh, that's okay. All right. And excuse me, what engine you have in your boat?
A Perkins 4154.
I love that engine. Okay, the Perkins. I love that engine. I have a lot of videos about the reparation of that engine. Okay.
Oh, good, because it starts every time, but you can't get parts.
Okay. I can help you with that. Okay. You have a great engine, and the engine is properly bonded to the bonding system?
I do not know.
Okay, we are going to check that. Other thing, you use the alternator of the engine to charge the house battery bank or not?
I believe so, yes. Can I show you right now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I have somebody working on this area right here, but see the alternator?
Okay, this is the alternator, and yes, I think that this alternator is charging the house battery bank.
And there it goes up there.
Okay, yes. All right, yeah.
And then more messy.
Okay. Yes, we are going to use that alternator to charge the battery bank also.
Okay.
Oh, that boat is ready to rewire completely the DC, and because we are going to create the AC panel, and it's good idea that we organize the DC wires also. No, Maria, let me tell you something. That compass is pretty close to the batteries. That's not good.
Yeah, that's what I wondered about that. So move that one.
Yeah, mommy. Move to other areas separated from electromagnetic interference. That's too close to the batteries.
Okay. All right.
All right.
So relocate that one away from the batteries, and then maybe I can also at the same time move. Can the two compasses be next to each other?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe back there somewhere.
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay.
But definitely in that area is not good. Okay.
Okay. All right. Good.
That area, when you clean those fittings, those through holes, you install new bonding wires. That area, you can paint the area, and the area will be nice.
Oh, that'll be good.
Yeah.
I hate that dirty.
Yeah.
What do you think of?
Excuse me. Go ahead.
Oh, I was just going to ask you if you feel like I'm just trying to find my light. Use my phone light here.
Okay.
So you see I don't know if it's coming through on the video or not. You see that connection? It's exposed there, the wire, and it looks all green. You see
No, mommy. No, mommy. You need to replace those wires.
That's what I thought.
Those terminals with exposed wire in between the insulation and the terminal is not good. You see the corrosion in the metal over there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, I see it.
No, mommy.
I keep asking people about that, and they said they're like, it looks fine. And I'm like,
no, mommy. No.
Yeah. And then what about a fuse on there? There's no fuse, and between there and there for, should I fuse that? I have a terminal at, one of those fuses that goes on it.
Yeah, those terminals, this is automotive terminals. The idea is replace. Okay, you need to replace the end of those cables. The idea is cut the cable, verify if the cable in the area where you cut it is clean, no green, no corrosion. If it's corroded, it's necessary to replace the entire cable. And put new terminals. Those terminals with the end open, the end exposed is not good because the humidity enter over there and create corrosion. You see?
Yeah, I see.
This
like
is
right there.
Correct. This is not marine exactly. This is not marine grade terminals. We are going to use the other one, like the other small one that you have in the area that you pointed with your finger. The small one is good, but they don't apply temperature heat on the terminal, and the heat stream is not compressed. You see?
Yeah, I do. They did that a lot. They didn't heat shrink it after all over the boat. It's like that.
And you see the balls that are connected to the post terminal of the battery. Those balls are not marine grade and are corroded. Right there. Yeah, it's not. Yeah. The idea is replace those posts for marine posts with marine bolts. Those bolts will not be corroded. Okay.
Yeah. So this is okay, but not the bolt, or replace this whole thing.
No, this is okay. The only that you need to replace over there is the bolts.
The bolts. Okay.
Yeah, the bolts.
Yeah. Okay.
The same with the other one. Terminals and bolts. Terminals and bolts. You have a lot of work, Maria. A lot of work.
I know. Yes.
You need to be organized. I recommend that create a programmer and put a big paper in some part of the boat, and you can mark every day your progress. That's the other battery, the battery number 3. Okay. Yeah, I want to check. You have on the wall the red cable. This is a shunt.
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. It looks like a.
Is the red cable? Let me check. No, this is a positive bus bar. This is a positive bus bar. This is a positive bus bar. It's not a good idea that positive bus bar exposed. It's not protected. If you touch that positive bus bar with any metal, you create a short because this is positive. No, you have 12 volts over there in that point.
This whole bolt. Yeah, this whole bolt is like a accident waiting to happen. Yeah.